In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iOS widget on Poco C75. Open the Play Store, install this application. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Select the language from here. Now, here you get the multiple type of widgets. For example, I want to add the calendar widget. Tap on allow, 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 and allow all. Here you get the calendar widget. I will simply tap on add widget. Widget is added to home screen. Now let's check it out. As you can see, widget is showing here, but I want to add on home screen, so I will simply long press on it and move it to home screen. It is saying not enough space, so I will delete old widget. Now let's try again. As you can see, calendar is now added on my home screen. So this is how you can get iOS widget on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.